your gut health is the foundation of all your systems in your body, because they're all interconnected. So how does this relate to Ayurveda? Well, let's tread gently and let's come into a little bit more of a layer of what Ayurveda is. So who here has studied Ayurveda, either at a retreat or yoga training? It's often taught side by side with yoga because it's a sister science. So for those of you who might not know, Ayurveda is translated as the knowledge of life, and it's an ancient medicinal system that prevents disease by tending to the root cause of illness, not just treating the symptoms. And Ayurveda isn't just a holistic, meaning complete medical system that focuses on nutrition, internal medicine. It also teaches us about the psychology of a person, shows us the herbs, so herbology. There's often gem therapy and toxicology. Its core is simple and profound, that balance the doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, They arise from the 5 elements: space, air, fire, water, and earth. So when we align these forces that are individual to each and every person, we have specific amounts of those 5 elements, then we find ourselves with better digestion, steadiness of mind, and the body remembers how to heal. And food becomes medicine. Routines become our ritual, less like fixing and more like returning. Our prakriti refers to our unique constitution. And so we have that specific blend of the 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, that define your inherent physical and mental characteristics. So we can think about this as our physiology's blueprint. And this is established at conception and remains consistent throughout your life unless we have imbalances, which is represented by vikruti. This is where we've been taken away from our constitution or that doshic balance, and it's usually because of our current lifestyle choices, our diet choices, or the shift in our age or environment. And when we're talking about digestive issues in this journey towards vitality, understanding that state of our digestion is really crucial, because poor digestion manifests as various ways, and recognizing these signals can really help you to take a proactive step in restoring balance. So here's some key indicators that your digestive system may need attention. Remember, these are just some of the common signs of digestive distress. And if you're experiencing persistent symptoms, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional and not just normalize these problems as we move towards self-care. Your gut health in Ayurveda is really the root of where imbalances start.